This is a new gel contour, yes, gel contour from KVD that is supposed to make contouring a breeze. It claims to add instant realistic depth to the skin. High contrast pigments in an innovative clear base make the lightweight contour work like an actual shadow. The first thing I was impressed by was the colors. It actually is a cool tone contour. I feel like it's so hard to find cool tone contour products. Everything is too warm. All right, we're gonna try it. Here we go. It's gel. It's weird. It's weird. I hope this doesn't mess up my foundation. I have no idea how much to use. It's so watery. I'm gonna use a stippling brush and just stipple this into the skin. Oh, okay. Holy shit. That's stunning. Let's do a little on the forehead. Guys, this is doing something. This is doing something. I am excited to try the nose. This, I'm gonna use a beauty sponge to see how it works with that. That was the fastest I've contoured my nose and best I've contoured my nose my entire life. This completely exceeded my expectations. It literally is like a realistic shadow. This is one of the most gorgeous contour colors I have ever used. It blended out like a dream. The texture is the weirdest thing I have ever tried, but good for them because this is so innovative. Holy crap, 10 out of 10, you have to try this.